Okay, the final video tutorial for the Sound of Sleat part 4. So in bar 1 we have bree biddy go bree, bree biddy go bree. Now we want to understand the difference between playing a high A doubling and a strike on high A. So the first on the beat, the first beat is a high A doubling. So we have a high A and a high G grace note. So the two grace notes represent that high A doubling. Eerie. Then we have a long F, bang on the offbeat, bree a short high A and then a strike. Okay, because we're already on high A, so it's the same sort of movement, but learn what the difference is between a strike or a high A doubling. So doubling, F, high A, strike, bree biddy, bree biddy, bree biddy. Okay, and then we have that short F back up to the high A doubling. Bree biddy do bree. And again, you want to make sure that you hear that high A before that strike. Bree biddy, bree biddy go bree. Okay, we have the bar 2, which is the same as bar 2 in part 2. Okay, so the first two bars of the last part. Okay, bar 3 is the same as bar 1. Okay, we've covered bar 4 before. The next two bars are the same as the two bars above. Okay, and then we have a throw on D. Bra tampitri and tevi. Bra tampitri and tevi. So again, the G grace note is on the offbeat. Okay, short F, making sure the bottom fingers are down in time, and then a doubling on E. Again, making sure that the G grace note is on the E. And then we've covered the last bar before. Okay, and remember not to fall down onto the strike. Please remember that you're wanting to put in all the accent patterns to this reel. Because it's seen as quite a simple tune, you really need to make sure that you pull out all of the possible music out from the tune. Bree biddy go bree. Bree biddy adakam bree biddy go bree ka biddy kitro bree biddy go bree biddy adakam praram biddy and sevilla biddy kitro. Okay, so we want to really make sure that we're holding the long notes till the end, and of course as we build it up in tempo, that's when we'll start finding a bit more of the spring to the tune. Okay, so the last part, and then the fifth video will be on pipes, covering the whole tune. After 2, 1, 2. Okay, enjoy learning and perfecting the Sound of Sleat. Well done.